Korona POS also has a stocks function that's on the client side of the point of sale, not just in Korona Studio back office. So you're able to see what you have on hand and check the stock on any product that you have in your database. So on the right-hand side here, you can see that there's a gray stocks button. I can hit that stocks button functionality and it'll take me to a very simple window. From here, I can start typing in the name of the product that I have in my database and then hit enter. Then I'll pull up all of the products that fit the criteria of what I just typed in, and it'll show the product names and how much there is currently in stock. There's also a magnifying glass to the right of the stock level column that you can hit, which will give you a little bit more details on this Cabernet product. So for example, if you're a multi-location store, it'll show you a breakdown of how many items you have in each one of your stores. So at store 1, you can see there is quite a bit of product with 1,240 items in stock, then store 2, and then at the warehouse. It'll also let you know how many you currently already have on order. So if your current stock level might be at 0, you can let the customer know that there is an order coming in soon.